decided to try out this palette. I bought it a while back and I've been wanting to use it for like an end of the summer makeup look, but since summer's over and we're in fall, I decided to just use this palette for a fall look instead. And I love that the colors do have like fall colors as well, and there's also the little like summery color which I really wanted to use. This palette was designed by a team of beauty influencers inspired by the vibrancy of the Bahamas with sunset-like hues. This collection takes you to paradise wherever you are. So let's just go ahead and jump into this eye look. I'm going to be using the warm colors in this palette, of course. So I'm going to start off with this shade right here. This shade up here is called Caliente. Apply that onto the crease. Had to dip in my brush a couple of times, but the payoff is there, as you can see. For the center color, I'm going in with this shade called Paraíso. I'm so sorry if I'm butchering these names. Dipping my hand in this. Okay, yeah, this is a very beautiful, reflective orange, yellow shade. Oh wow. It actually has a lot of mixture of colors, like yellow, green, orange. It's so pretty. This looks a little summery, so I'm going with this dark brown shade here called Coconut. I want to darken this a little bit. Wow, okay, this brown is really intense. This one has a lot of pigment. Gonna dry a little bit of that in the inner corners of my eyes. But of course I don't want to lose my crease color, so I'm going back into Caliente and going to add more of that on top. For right now, let's move on to the face. Going in with this e.l.f. Luminous Putty Primer. I haven't used this in a while actually. I've been dabbling in other primers. I really did like it, as you can see. It did hit pan when I was like really using this religiously. Oh, look at my hair. Now my face is freshly primed. I'm going in with foundation. You know what foundation I'm going in with. That is the Wet n Wild Photo Focus foundation in the dewy version. I do wish that this was better though. I really don't like this palette. Oh, just tap this in. I know when I was living in Cali, it did not feel like fall at this time. It usually gets like colder, like much colder, like towards the end of like November, December. But yeah, it's starting to get a little bit chilly here in Ohio. But for concealer, you guessed it, my favorite e.l.f. Hydrating Camo Concealer. This one just is a holy grail for now. It's affordable. Covers up my circles, cover up my blemishes. It just gets the work done. It literally just smooths everything out. So good. Alright, so for bronzer, I'm going in with the Wet n Wild Color Con bronzer. This is in the shade... I believe this was in the shade Tropical Sunset. For blush, I'm going in with the ColourPop and Mulan collab, and this is in the shade Matchmaker. I really like this color because it has that nice bronzy look, which is perfect for fall. Perfect. And I'm going to be adding some highlighter onto my cheekbones. This color does look really intense, so I'm going to try to go not too heavy-handed. Oh, okay, it's not bad, it's just, well, really glittery. It kind of looks like my eyeshadow a little bit. Oh my god, this would have been perfect for summer, guys. I'm going back into the eyes and applying a little bit of the crease color onto my lower lash line. And then I'm going in with Coconut, which is that dark brown shade. Also going into the lower lash line. I'm going in with a brown eyeliner. This is the YESSTYLE Smudge Stick Waterproof Eyeliner. I'm just gonna add a line. So eyes are done. I decided just to add a little wing liner just because I feel like I made the eyeliner a little too thick. And then I applied some of this glitter here onto the lower lash line as well. And then for the inner corners, I went in with this beautiful pearly shade called Sea Salt. Onto the lashes, I'm going in with some natural lashes today, and these are from Kiss Lashes. And this is in the style Little Black Dress. The lashes are on. As I said, they are more on the natural side, which I really like. And it was really easy to apply. Moving on to lips. This is the last thing on the list, and this is from Maybelline. This is their Superstay Matte Ink. And what's actually really funny was that I actually used this in my last year's fall makeup tutorial as well. It wasn't this exact color, but it was a Maybelline Superstay Matte Ink lipstick. So I just thought that was really funny. But this one is in the shade 265 Caramel Collector. Oh yeah. Definitely has that caramelly color. And all that's left is to spritz some ColourPop Pretty Fresh Hyaluronic Acid Setting Mist. Alright guys, and this concludes yet another makeup tutorial from me. I really hope you guys like this video, and I hope you guys like this look. Thank you all so much for watching this video. I had so much fun. If you enjoyed this video, please don't forget to give me a thumbs up and subscribe to my channel so you can be a part of the family here on YouTube. I'd appreciate that so much. I also have a fall haul and a fall lookbook coming, so please stay tuned for those. And without further ado, I'll see you all in the next video.